Ooh, this book is so good, I can't put it down. What's that smell? It stinks around here. Wait, what is that on you? OMG, gross! Huh? What do you mean? What is it? No, I think I'm gonna be sick. Ah! Get it away from me! Huh, look at how fast she can run. She totally fell for my prank! I'm a genius! Let's see, I need a snack. Ooh, what's this? Looks like someone left out some chocolate. Oh, nice! That's a good brand of chocolate bar! Yeah, that's what I've heard too. It's mine! No, it's mine! Give it to me! I found it first! It belongs to me! Ha! Got it! See you later! Ugh! I can't believe she took that from me! Well maybe I could eat this pickle instead? Wait, I think I've actually got a sneaky idea. I'll just slide this popsicle stick into the pickle. And now to dip the pickle on a stick into this melted chocolate. Got to really coat it so the pickle is disguised. There we go! Now to add some sprinkles to really sell it. Done! And they look pretty good, too! Oh, here she comes! Hey! What do you have there? Can I have one? No way! These treats are all mine, so stop your begging! Ugh, okay fine, have one if you want. Wow, these look delicious! Wait a second, what's that flavor? Ew, this is a pickle! Ha! She totally fell for it! Anyway, how bad can it be? I'll try it. Huge mistake. I'm so close to finally beating this level! Hey, what are you doing? That's my laptop! Come on, give it back now! Look, see? I even put my name on it. It's my property. Ugh, you never share anything. Yeah, well you always break stuff, so leave my laptop alone. She's such a buzzkill sometimes. Ooh, look! Looks like it's time to teach her a bit of a lesson. I've got my paper and I've got my glue gun with yellow glue. And now I'll just set the glass into the glue and let it dry. There we go! It's dry and ready for my prank! Alright, I'll just set this on her laptop now. Ooh, here she comes. Ah! No! My laptop! The drink! What do we do? How can I fix this? Okay, maybe I can just clean it up. Huh? Wait a second. What is this? This isn't a spilled drink at all. It's not even liquid. Really? I can't believe you tricked me like that. Ha! It's one of my better pranks, I think. That was great! It went perfectly. I laughed so hard at that point in the episode. Me too. It was so funny. Oh, hey, can I have a drink of that? Oh, sure, go ahead. Ah, delicious. Okay, gotta run. What the heck? She just finished it off. Oh, well. This TikTok is so cool. Hey, can I have a drink of your soda? Well, I guess so. Come on, seriously? She just drank the whole thing, again! Thanks a lot for that. Ugh. Wow, the weather is absolutely perfect today! Hey, hook me up with some of your soda. What? No! No way! Hey! I can't believe you just did that! Ugh, she's the… Wait a second! I think I just got a great idea! I'm gonna need some breath mints. And then also some dental floss. Not too much! This little bit should be enough. And now I'll thread it on a needle. There we go! And now for the mint. Perfect! Now I'll move on to the next steps. I've got my bottle of soda ready. I'll suspend the mint over the lip of the bottle and replace the cap. Perfect! It's holding the mint in place. Hey, how's it going? Ooh, that looks thirst-quenching. Oh, this? You want a drink? Here you go. Great! Thanks! Yes! There it goes! Like a soda volcano! What's happening? Ha! You're totally soaked in soda! I can't believe you did that to me! That'll teach her! Oh my gosh, so spooky! Hey, what are you watching? Ugh, too scary! There, this is much better! What the heck? I was watching that! Seriously? Come on, this is a dumb repeat! I said I was watching that! What the heck? Why do you keep going back to this repeat? Yeah, but I was here first, so too bad! Oh, I'm out of soda. I better get some more. Wait, I'll bring the remote with. Come on, don't just take the remote! I can't believe she won't let me watch something else, even when she's not here. Guess I'll just eat her popcorn then. Huh, actually… I think maybe I should prank her. Okay, I've got to move this table out of the way. And I'll replace it with these 2 sawhorses and some cardboard. And then I'll cut a circle out of the middle. Okay, just gotta put the tablecloth over it. The hole is hidden. I'll need to use these scissors to cut the fabric. Next up, this fake popcorn bucket. And time to pour in the popcorn. Oh, look at all of it. Oh no, she's coming back. Gotta get in place. Phew, that's much better. I was so thirsty. Oh no way, look at that giant tub of popcorn. Don't mind if I do. Ow, what the heck is that? I better look. Boo! Ah, a head! A head of the popcorn! Huh, she loves to be scared so much, so I gave her a treat. Oof, I am hungry. I need to find something to eat. Ooh, there we go. A jar of candy bars.
Oh no!
Ha! You totally ran into my tripwire, loser! Ow! What the heck? A tripwire? Can't believe she used the candy as bait. You know what? I think I've got to get her back. Okay, I'll flip this paper plate upside down. I'll tape this end of the wire in the middle. And then I'll loop the other end of the wire around my shoe. Next up, the candy bait. If it worked for me, it'll work for her. And just to check to make sure it works… Perfect! My trap is ready for her. I'll just pretend to be on my phone. Ooh, the candy! Guess I'll take one. Oh my gosh, did that just move? Yes, she's already freaking out. Well, maybe I just imagine things. Ah! Did you see that? Huh? What are you talking about? Oh, you mean my powers. Watch this. Oh, witchcraft! I win! This is such a great party! You did an awesome job! I drank all my soda. I'm gonna get some more. There it is! I knew it was over here somewhere. Wait, what the actual heck? You just ate the entire cake? Oops. Well, hey, how about some sushi instead? That looks pretty good, right? No! Sushi rolls are not the same as cake! Wait, is that wasabi paste? Hand that over. Oof, she seems pretty mad. Well, at least I got cake. Okay, I've got this cupcake. And I'll need to use this piping tip. I'll put it right onto the wasabi paste. There we go! Next up, sprinkles, of course. Sprinkles always sell the disguise. Gotta admit, looks pretty tasty. Whoa, no way! You have even more cake? Yep, I made cupcakes. Don't they look good? Yes, and I can have one, right? This one looks the best. Down the hatch. Ha! Look how fast she's running to the sink. Hey, I brought us some snacks. Here you go. Oh wow, thanks. You're the best. I'm starving. What? How is she eating so fast? It's kind of scary. I can't let her get a hold of my snacks. She'll eat them all. Oh, the chocolate. That will help me. All right, come here, chocolate. You look delish. I'll just spread this right across the lip of the bag. There we go. That should do it. This'll be great. Those chips were so good. I wish I had more. I'm gonna sneak some of her chips too. Heck no! Keep your hands away. Okay, fine. You wore me down. Go on, dig in. Yes, more chips! Yummy! Salty snacks are the best. Oh my gosh, she's getting it all over. Wait, what's on my face? And on my hand? It's everywhere! Ha! Totally got you. Hey, this is chocolate! Nummo! What? Now she's licking her arm. Hey, give me some more of those chips. Chips and chocolate are the perfect combination. Yeesh, she's literally out of control. Time to label my drink so no one else steals it. There we go! Now I'll just put it in the fridge to keep it cool. Looks like she's finally gone. I'll just be taking her drink now. What's this? A label? Like that will stop me. Time to quench my thirst. Apple juice is so good. Ah, delicious. She'll never know it was me. I could use some of my juice. Wait a second, what the heck happened? She totally drank all my juice! Ugh! I better label my chocolate bar too now. The angry face will tell her that I mean business this time. There, that should stop her. Ooh, looks like she put something else in the fridge. Yes, it's a chocolate bar! Can't believe she thought that angry face would scare me off. Hey, what are you doing? Didn't you see my note? Ugh, she's the worst! I can't stand it! I got to do something about this. What's she putting in the fridge this time? Hey, what do you got? Did you hear me? Ah! Run away! Ha! The look on her face was priceless! What's the best food prank you've ever pulled? Tell us in the comments! And don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more great videos like this one!